Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. You can tell by the title of today's video, we're going to be doing what I spend in a week as a 23-year-old who still lives with her parents. I don't want to get into really why I still live with my parents because I don't see anything wrong with it if your parents are cool with it and if you're cool with it. I have a good relationship with my parents and with living at home, so I'm kind of was in a rush to move out, and then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna live it up while I can. But the reason I wanted to film this video is because if you guys didn't know, I have a studio space that we've been renovating, working on, and I'll probably end up spending majority of my time there once it's finished. We're gonna have like a bed and a kitchen and all that stuff in it, so I might like be sleeping there as well. Things could change, and then I can do a video of how much money I spend in a week there. I thought this would just be a fun video, and maybe if you still live with your parents and you feel guilty about it, all your friends are moving out, you feel like rushed and pressured to move out on your own, take a week and tally like what you spend and what you think you'd be spending if you didn't leave, and I bet you'd feel a lot better. So that's what we're gonna do. It's already almost 10. I woke up at like 7 and I made my first breakfast, but you guys, it was literally just too early to like film breakfast. I just made a smoothie and some scrambled eggs, but that's free, so it didn't matter. So now from the rest of this video on, I'm just gonna be filming when I spend money, which I don't know the next time I'm gonna spend money. Maybe if I buy something online, I don't know. I have no plans today, so I have no intention of spending a single dollar today. We'll see you the next time I spend some money. I'm back for just a second because I'm trying to think of the logistics of this video. I haven't spent any money yet. I did use these little like eye patches, but I was like, oh, am I gonna like fraction out how much one of these costs out of this whole thing? Because I was like, oh, this whole thing was 20 bucks and you get 20 pairs of eye masks, so this is technically $1 on my face right now. I was like, okay, so do I do that? I decided no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm only gonna do things that were charged on my card like during the week of this video. I don't really know when a lot of my like subscription things recharge because I don't really pay that much attention to it. I get a notification on my phone every time my card is charged. So like Adobe recharges that month, that's gonna be like 30 bucks I spent, and then I will count it, but I'm not gonna count the 30 bucks if it doesn't pop up. And those are my rules I just made. Thank you, bye.
Baby girl. Hi, baby girl. My lazy girl. There she is. Go home.
The one thing I will say I spend my money on is DoorDash. Since I live at home, I feel justified to spend money on food, but I pay for Dash Pass. It's free delivery. I don't remember how much that even is a month, but I know I get the use out of it because I order DoorDash almost every day. I know it's bad, but also is it? Some people like to spend their money on traveling. Some people like to spend their money on clothes, which is also me. Some people like to spend their money on tech. Some people like to spend their money on cars. I like to spend my money on DoorDash. Everyone's got something, so it's justifiable. And yes, it looks like I just laid in bed all day, but I promise you, when I'm on my computer working, I'm working, and when I take breaks or when I'm done for the day, I crawl right back into bed. This video is going to prove how antisocial I am and how I don't like doing things besides working, hanging out with my dog, and seeing Brandon. Brandon just left. Yeah, I'm really excited for my DoorDash. I got a lemonade because Noodles and Company is the good ice. And then Obviously, I'm not gonna, or maybe not obviously, but I'm not gonna eat all this in one sitting. I'll eat this again tomorrow for lunch, but yeah, I'm gonna eat and go get silverware. Okay, everybody, before we get any further in this video, I wanted to say thank you so much to Casetify for sponsoring this video. If you're wondering how I afford anything in my life, it's with sponsors like Casetify. And honestly, you guys know I love working with Casetify. If I sound congested, it's because I am. I'm sick, and I will talk about it later in this video. This is in the future, so I'm sick now, and I'll get sick later in the video. If you're subscribed to my channel, you already know the rundown with Casetify, but if not, I'm gonna break it down really quickly. Oh my god, my brain is mush. Casetify has a Chi-Tech 2.0 technology that's drop tested and approved for up to 9.8 feet. They feature a lifted camera ring and a lifted bezel for drop protection at all angles. Casetify's new impact and ultra impact cases are made of 65% recycled and plant-based materials. They're also compatible with 5G and wireless charging. They have endless print options. They come in tons of designs, so you can pick your favorite color or print to match the phone to your style or fit your mood. You can also add your name or monogram for a truly customized case. The one I have right now has my initials on it. Fun fact, my real name is not Lady. Casetify's cases are 100% non-toxic and non-hazardous. They also feature an antimicrobial coating, keeping your case germ-free, killing 99% of bacteria. If you guys want 15% off your Casetify phone case, go to casetify.com/Delaney or click the link in the description box to check out the endless styles and cases. Literally, my brother got the new iPhone, I guess it's not new to him, a couple weeks ago and texted me, what's your Casetify link? Like, Jackson. It's literally casetify.com/Delaney. So easy. But yeah, thank you again to Casetify for sponsoring this video. I wanted to document showing that I made my own coffee. I tend to do this pretty often because I don't like leaving the house, and that's the one thing where I don't really want to DoorDash just like one coffee because it seems a really big waste of money when I can make it at home. For watching the neighbor's dog, they gave me a Starbucks gift card, so I was like really tempted to use that. But my dad's car actually broke probably almost a month ago, and he's just been using my car to drive to the office to his job. My mom works, so she needs her car too. So I'm kind of stranded. I mean, I have the bus, but I can't really, I don't know. The bus is such a pain in the butt to drive like down the street to a Starbucks. Yeah. Not only am I 23 living at home with my parents, but I also don't have a car right now, so I'm just living the freaking dream. But there's literally nothing wrong with that. I don't know, I just hope this video takes the pressure off some of you if maybe you're older living with your parents, or maybe you're just not where you thought you'd be at this age, maybe even 18, and you're not at college like you thought you would. You're going to community college or something, or you ended up not going at all. Like, everything happens for a reason. Everything will work out. Just because you're not at the same point in life as somebody else doesn't mean anything's wrong with you, or you shouldn't be happy, or you're not allowed to be happy or content. I think that's like the biggest thing when I go downtown Detroit, where like my friends live in their apartments, and we'll meet, you know, like friends of friends and stuff, and they're like, oh, like, where do you live? And I say like the suburbs outside of Detroit. Everyone knows what it is. And they'll be like, oh, like, do you have an apartment there? And I'm like, no, I live with my parents. And they're always like, oh, I'm so sorry. And I'm like, I'm really content. If I wanted to move out, like, logistically I could. I've moved out before, but I don't know, what's so wrong with being content with not a lot? And I talked about in like my old vlogs that not a lot of people watched, about me wanting to look for a house to move because I was starting to feel a little bit claustrophobic in this room. But if you guys don't know, I have like a studio space we've been working on. I think I already mentioned that in this video. That's really all I need right now, is just like one other room to do my work in. That was the only reason I was going a little bit stir crazy, is because I do everything in my bedroom. Obviously YouTube is completely done in my bedroom, the filming, the editing, thinking of ideas, and then I sleep in my bedroom. I tend to eat in my bedroom. I do everything in here, and that was the only thing that was making me a little bit stir crazy. But I think if I worked like at an office or got out more, I would be okay. But yeah, because I know a lot of the people who do these kind of videos too. First of all, they spend a lot of money, and second of all, they are pretty cool or like extravagant or I don't know, like adult life. And I'm older than a lot of the people who I've seen film these type of videos, but I'm content living at home, living my life how it is right now. I don't want a lot. The whole point of me telling you that about the no car thing, so I haven't had a car for probably a month. I don't even know. It doesn't seem that long, because then again, my boyfriend Brandon has a car, so if like worse came to worse, he can drive me to things. My dad is getting his new car today, so I'll have a car tomorrow. I might just drive across the country. What last time I talked to you was literally 4 hours ago. I ate lunch. I cooked pizzas, but I put them on bagels because we didn't have like normal crust. Did I tell you I filmed a video? I'm still editing that video. It's 4 o'clock, almost 5, and I'm going to do my nails at home. So I'm staying home all day today, I think. It's rainy, it's gloomy, and I don't have a car. Maybe this is random and you guys don't care, but it's super rainy today, and Ernie hates the rain, won't go outside, will like barely pee and poop outside. To get him tired out and like stimulated, I use this little snuffle mat, I think it's what it's called. My cousin got it for Ernie for Christmas, and I just stick a bunch of treats in there and he just goes ham, and he'll be so tired after this. It's like stimulating and tiring for them to use their nose and sniff around treats and get rewarded. We're at the bare end, so you can tell he doesn't like some of his treats, so we need to get some new ones. But that's what I'm doing today. This cost me $0. Is Ernie's chewing ASMR? We just had to go to the doctor. Well, I had to go to the doctor, and I told you guys I don't have a car. So Brandon drove me, and I knew I had to get blood, and I get lightheaded after, and they gave, oh my god, they took so much blood, and I don't feel well. I can't even keep my eyes open. As a small treat, I got Shake Shack, and Brandon got Shake Shack obviously too, so that's happening. But also I had to pay for the parking, which was $1.35. Can you believe it? To go to the doctor's, I also have to pay for parking. It took like an hour to get in. It was so stupid. Take me home.
Take me home tonight.
Hey everyone, I keep telling you my life is just so fun and entertaining. I literally don't leave, don't look at my bed, don't. Okay, so you might be asking, what are you doing now at your desk? Ernie doesn't, my dog, doesn't shed that much, but his hair gets in really like crevicey places. I can't vacuum like on the side of my bed or in my windowsills and stuff, and like a duster doesn't really work, and either does a lint roller. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna get a dust buster, like a handheld vacuum. So that's what I think I'm gonna spend my money on right now. I'm looking at one that's $49, but it's not technically for pet hair. Then there's one for pet hair, but it's $100. And also moving to the studio, I'm just gonna want my own dust buster. My dad, if you haven't realized, my dad's an anomaly. I don't know why I can't say that word. Well, he is. He won't just buy new vacuums. He always garbage picks them, and they never work that well. And I'm like, please, please, can we just get a vacuum that works? Instead of me sitting there and like vacuuming the same thing over and over and over, because it's not really vacuuming. I'm getting my own dust buster. I'm gonna keep it in my bedroom until I move it to the studio, and then I'll have it there. Also, wasn't there something else? A dust buster? Oh, Shart. What was the other thing that I wanted on Amazon? Because I don't really get a lot of stuff on Amazon. Somebody tell me. Oh, I want like a mirror to do my makeup, because I've been doing my makeup just in my well, yesterday I actually did my makeup through my iPad camera, and I felt so bougie, but it doesn't work that well. So I want a mirror, just like with a vanity mirror with the light. So that's what I'm gonna look up, and I'll show you what I ended up getting. So this is what I decided on. This is a chargeable travel makeup vanity mirror, $21.99, and then a $72 dust buster. But it's like made for pet hair. I'm telling you, my life is just so exciting. And I don't have Amazon Prime, which is just Why do I even shop on Amazon? I should look at these up on Walmart. $106, but you can do free shipping if you just wait longer. And that's what I'm gonna do because there's really no rush for me getting these. Okay, $99.73 for a mirror and a dustbuster. I'm sorry, I'm so excited. Place my order. Order placed. It's too easy on Amazon. Okay, bye. See you when I spend money again. We just went to the thrift store, since I'm telling you what I spent. I spent $11.43, and I'll show you what I got. I really wanted a pink baby doll top, and I literally found one. So cute. I think this with like green pants.
Or with anything.
Or with anything. And then my boyfriend found me this. It's this little Nike jersey. How cute. And I really wanted yellow, and I did get yellow. The end. 11:43, 11:07. Bye.
Good night.
Okay, everybody, I'll show you what we got.
An extra donut.
Really? And I got it on camera of us stealing?
Yeah, an extra one for us.
Because he thought I was cute. $3.84 is what I just paid. What did we get, you might be asking? Haul time. Hash browns. Oh my god, he did give us an extra donut.
Mm-hmm.
And 3 dog nuts. Thank you, Duncan. Bye. I've done so many clips of me out to eat that I wanted to prove I eat at home sometimes. Made a salad, and I just did a big piece of bread on the side. Yeah, sometimes I eat at home. My mom did go grocery shopping today. This is what Izzy spends in a week. 1 salad all week. Ava, sorry I caught you right at your bite. Here's mine. I'm in the way. Look at that pink girl. Oh wait. This is how you don't spend money. How much was this?
22 bucks.
I can't believe I'm filming like this. So, as you guys could tell, I really don't do that much during the week. I don't know how well you can hear me because the window's open. Who was all that I saw? My parents, obviously, because I live at home. Brandon, Izzy, and Ava. So I really didn't like go out and do crazy stuff. And now I'm laying in bed. It's not funny. Now I'm laying in bed and I have COVID. So I think I had COVID. I was hyping up living with my parents, saying it's all not that bad. My dad has been sick for a couple days, and he's the one who gave it to me. And if I didn't live at home, I wouldn't be sick right now. So there's that. I don't want to completely scrap this whole video, but I'm not doing anything today. I'm not going to be spending any money. I'm not doing anything, obviously. We've got all the windows in my house open because my mom still doesn't have it. She's fine. And we're trying to keep it that way. And COVID is still very real and apparent and a thing. It's not over. So keep washing your hands, wearing a mask. Do everything in your power that can make you not get it, or if you get it, it won't be as bad. Honestly, I'm really sorry for my appearance in most of this vlog, but this video is due, so I have to get it done. That clip of me in bed was from yesterday, and I already feel so much better. This whole week I spent $245.94, which honestly, that is so good. Very proud of myself. Is this a normal week? Okay, it's not a normal week. I don't get COVID every week, but I normally only go and hang out with friends once a week. I don't even normally spend that much money with them. We just went out to eat because we could sit outside in Detroit, so we were like, oh yeah, let's go get like food. Like, we never get food when we hang out. We don't really just like sit in her apartment like you saw we did after. Yeah, I normally spend less money actually. It's because it's getting nice out. But yeah, this was a pretty average week besides Sunday. I'm having a hard time talking. I keep choking. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Remember to check out the link in the description box to shop Casetify. You can go to casetify.com/Lainey. Thank you again, Casetify, for sponsoring this video. Thank you again for watching this video. I need to stop talking. I love you so much. Bye.